Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to make chord inversions in the key of G minor. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the notes of a G minor chord using the pentascale. Do, re, mi, fa, so. So do, mi, and so. Those are our chord tones. In this case, G, B flat, and D. So what I want you to keep in mind as you go through this tutorial is that G, B flat, and D, those are the ingredients of a G minor chord. They can be played in many different ways. I'm going to show you the three most common and with many different fingerings. Again, I'm going to show you the fingering that if you were taking a test on G minor inversions, you would need to know. So we're just going to mix up these three notes to make the inversions. The one I'm playing right now, this is called root. And I remember this because its name is G. So G is on the bottom, or it's the lowest note in the chord. So we've got G and B flat, fingering 1 to 3, line to line on the music, 3 to 5, B flat to D, mi to so, and our outside interval is a fifth. Feels pretty nice. If you were looking at pop notation for this chord, it would either look like G with an M or G with a dash. So you see above the music there. So now, if we want to make first inversion, all we're going to do is we're going to take this G, do, and we're going to put it on the top. Now mi is going to become the bottom note, so is going to become the middle note, and then do is on top. This is called first inversion. So we've got now a third on the bottom, so a little bit of stretch there. You see how no one's playing that C there? Fingers 1 and 2. A fourth on the top, line to the space. It looks different, not line to line like thirds. And fingers 2 to 5. Our outer interval is a sixth. Feels a little bit more stretched out than the major version because of that black key. Thumb has to get in there. And fingering is 1, 2, 5. So if you see the notation GM/B flat, it means first inversion chord. B flat is the lowest note. The GM on the top tells us the chord ingredients are G, B flat, and D. So then finally, we're going to put this B flat, or this mi, on the top. So now so, D is our bottom, do, G is our middle, and then mi on the top. So we've got a fourth on the bottom using fingers 1 and 3, a third on the top, 3 and 5, and then a sixth on the outside. Again, the hand is at a bit of an angle because of that black key. And this would be notated in pop notation as GM/D. G minor chord ingredients, G, B flat, and D. But in this case, D is the bottom one. And then we're back to root. So let's do all of those in order, blocked, broken, with the fingering. So we've got root, 1, 3, 5. First inversion, 1, 2, 5. Second inversion, 1, 3, 5. And root, 1, 3, 5. And coming back down, black key on 3, black key on 5, black key on 1, and black key on 3. Now we're just going to block those. Keep track of which finger is playing the black key. Now we're going to do the exact same thing with the left hand. It's going to feel a little bit different than the right, so that's why we're doing it. So we've got root position, 5, 3, 1. Do, mi, so, 5, 3, 3, 1. Outside interval of a fifth. So now we put the do on top, mi, B flat in the bottom, so, D in the middle, do on the top. We've got 5, 3 for an interval of a third, 3, 1 for the interval of a fourth, and outside interval 6. A little more spread out. Pinky has to scoot in there for the black key. First inversion, also GM/B flat. The bottom note is B flat. Now we're going to take that B flat, put it on top. So now we've got so on the bottom, D. Middle is do, G. Top is mi, B flat. We've got a fourth on the bottom, fingers 5, 2. We've got a third on the top, fingers 2, 1. And outside interval of a 6, 5, 2, 1. And then we're back to root. So let's do a broken block of those. We've got root, 5, 3, 1. First, 5, 3, 1. Second, 5, 2, 1. And 2, 5. First, 1, 3, 5. And root. Let's block those. Black in middle, black on the bottom, black on the top, black in the middle. Root, second, first, root. So 2 things to keep track of as you're playing these inversions in the key of G minor. One is, where's the black key? Middle, bottom, top, and which finger has it? The other is, which inversion are you using 1, 2, because it's not the same in the hand. So if we got root, black keys in the middle, 1, 3, 5, both hands. First inversion, right hand has the 1, 2, because that's where the third is. Left hand has 3, 5. Black key on the bottom. Second inversion, here's the 2, 1 for the left hand, 3, 5 in the right hand, and then 1, 3, 5. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play inversions in the key of G minor. I hope that you found it helpful. Please leave any questions or comments down below. I'd be happy to answer them. I hope you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and also videos on piano technique, piano literature, and quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.